Tutorial on how to use VoiceThread. As you can see, we can get to VoiceThread from our students homepage, and if you scroll down on the left hand side under Core Tools, all the way at the bottom is VoiceThread. Click on that and it will take us to the VoiceThread homepage. In the upper right hand corner where you see my mouse hovering, click Sign In. This is where you would add your Fairview Park username. So your first three, last three is where you would put for your email, and then you have to include the @fairview.k12.oh.us. So make sure that for the email you would do your first three, last three at fairview.k12.oh.us. So if my name was John Smith, I would type in JOHSMI and then whatever the last three digits of your student code are. So for example, 333 at fairview.k12.oh.us. Your password is the exact same as your username. But for me, my password and username are different, so I'll just go ahead and type mine in right now. And then click Sign In. And you can always, if you sign into the computer, or if it's your own, you can click Yes. Okay, so you can see these are all the voice threads that I have created in the past. If this is your first time coming to VoiceThread, then obviously you won't have anything here. If this is the page that it takes you to, click on the arrow next to your name and either go to My Voice to see all the voice threads that you have created in the past, or go to a new one, Create. And now we have a blank canvas. So you can see the tabs up here. You can browse other people's voice threads, create one, or if you go back to My Voice, once again these will be all your voice threads that you've done in the past. But let's create a new one today. So the first thing that we can do is upload a picture. So you can either choose a picture from my computer, something that you have on the desktop, documents, download, pictures, if you have something saved on your computer. You can also go to URL, and let's say that we wanted to find a picture of a soccer ball. You can type in soccer, click Images, and let's say I'd like to use this picture. Click on it and then go over to the right where it says full size image. Command C on the Mac to copy the picture. Where it says URL, come back and press Command V to paste. Remember, Velcro is sticky like paste. That's how I remember Command V. And then import. And you will see a picture of a soccer ball. Now let's say we wanted another picture. We could add a URL here. And we can go back and then type in baseball. Sorry. Images, and then select whatever image that we want. So let's say I wanted to pick this one. Copy the URL again, Command C, come back, Command V, and you will see that it imports the picture into VoiceThread. So now we could also, even if we wanted a picture, let's say from ourselves, so we can click on Webcam. The first time this comes up, it says camera and microphone. It says VoiceThread is requesting access to your camera and microphone. If you click allow, you may be recorded. We need to click allow. If you select deny, it won't allow your computer to use your camera and your microphone. So we need to make sure we click allow. So you can see there's my picture of myself right now talking, and if I click the photo, right now it's uploading the picture of me. So now I'm ready to start actually commenting on each one of these slides. So as you notice, if I select different ones, I have different options over here that I can use. I can comment on them. So that's the first thing I'm going to show you. I'm going to select the soccer ball, comment. So comment down here. I can either do a webcam, which would be a picture of me talking over it. I can record my voice using the microphone, or I could type a comment over it. So this one, and if you go to a different picture, make sure you click the back button to get back to the picture you want to comment on. So I want to type over the soccer ball, click type, And this is the comment that I could type in. I like to play soccer, period. Save. Now I'd like to make a comment over the baseball picture. So I can click the arrow to the right to get to this picture. This time I'm going to record my voice. Click record. I also like to play baseball. Select stop recording. It's processing right now. I also like to play baseball. Now I can select stop recording. Save. And now that comment is recorded over the baseball one. And then this one's just a picture of me. So once again, I can do the type and say hello or whatever I wanted to type. Save. I could also record over it. And I have a drawing tool, as you can see. This is a picture of me. Over it, and I have a drawing tool, as you can see. This is a picture of me. Click Save. And notice for each time that I make a comment, my picture over appears on the left-hand side because that's me making a comment. Now I'm finally ready to share. I could either get a link, so on and so forth. Down here is where I could export, embed, my publishing options. So I want to make sure that I allow anyone to be able to view. We also want to make sure that we moderate comments, that we're the ones that are going to be overseeing who says what. And if you want anyone to be able to leave a comment, your classmates and so on, I recommend that as well. And if you want this to show up on VoiceThread's own public page, you can show on browse page. Click Save. Now if you notice, if I go back to my voice, it's asking me for a title, so I'm just going to put introduction. I can describe it, I can tag it, hit save. So here's my voice thread. I can click on it. And you can see that my comment is on the left-hand side. I also like to play baseball. I can go to the end. Now this is where, if I wanted to then publish this, I could copy the link, or for our blogs, we'll click embed. We copied the embed code, and then we would go to our own blog and we would embed it there.